How to add music to Facebook post. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to add music to Facebook post, first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now simply make sure that you are logged into your account. So I'm just going to switch my page to my profile. Now what you simply need to do is tap on the What's on your mind option at the top of the screen. As you do that, scroll down and here you can see the option of music. Select on music option. Now, as you can see, there are different options. So you can select any of the music. So I'm going to select on one of the musics over here and select your preferred part. Then tap on done. Now, tap on add media option at the top left corner. So here you can simply add any sort of pictures or videos that you want. So I'm going to simply add a picture and you can simply now tap on post and that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.